Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make this beautiful vase that doesn't need any flowers. This vase is a beauty on its own, so no flowers are required. In this video, you will learn how to glue every piece without spoiling your design and how you can make your 3D origami design more durable. This art is really easy to follow. It just requires your time and some patience. So do try it out. So let's start the tutorial. So for this we need 6 different type of colors. I chose orange, yellow, red, green, black and blue. First we will make base of 3D origami. If you want to know how I make 3D origami base, then you can check above eye icon in the right side corner. I have one detailed video on origami base. There are 3 different types to make 3D origami base, so you can check that video. Now I am making base of 36 pieces. First line is black color and second line is blue color. Place 2 pieces together and put 1 piece from top. This is how you will make your base. Continue doing this till you have 36 black pieces in first line. Please do share this video who is interested in paper craft and 3D origami art. Once you have 36 pieces in first line, you will connect both the end and put 1 blue piece from top, just like this. Now put glue on every piece and then add third line of black color. You will add 36 pieces again. Now we will decrease the base from 36 to 24. For that you will add 3 edges in one piece, just like this. Three black pieces and 1 blue piece, and then continue doing it. On every step you need to glue your base. To create a design, we will add 2 black pieces above 3 black piece and 2 black piece above 1 blue piece. Next we will add 1 black piece and 3 blue pieces. Next line, complete the whole circle with blue pieces. Next we will add 1 red line. Now add 6 red pieces as shown. And complete the circle with blue pieces. Next we will again decrease the base by putting 3 edges in one piece. One normal piece and 2 pieces of 3 edges. Again one normal piece and 2 pieces of 3 edges. Continue for the whole circle. Next we will again decrease the base by putting 3 edges in one piece for orange color and yellow color normal pieces. we will push all the pieces outward side. From now on we will place all the pieces straight, little outward side. Next we will increase the base by putting one piece in one edge and all the pieces will be outward side. Now add one normal layer of orange, red, blue and black color. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what design you want me to make next.